Well, we're back at Universal, where the adventure begins. Oh, first washrooms. But it's cool.
You got it.
What are we doing with? 3 broomsticks. There's Jurassic Velocicoaster, Hulk. There's Rip Ride Rocket way over there. All the stuff we've done. Pretty crazy. Watch that. No, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Oh, they did it. I almost fell out of that seat. Oh, all smashed. You can see in the back there, there's Hogwarts. Universal, you did good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these guys.